Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Happy Vlogmas. Today we're going to be using an electric s'mores maker. Roast marshmallows to perfection over flameless electric heater. Stainless steel housing and top cover. Includes 2 stainless steel roasting forks. So let's open this up and check it out. Here's the s'mores maker. I have my graham crackers, I have my marshmallows, I've got my chocolate, I've got my heating device, s'mores written on it, and I have a tray that holds all the ingredients to make a s'mores. Now I've got it plugged in. Now let's turn it on and see if it works. You got to be very careful because this top part is hot. Basically we have a heating coil inside and it's heating up because it's smoking right now because it's never been used before, and that always happens with electric heating elements. They smoke a little bit. Now we got to put the cover back on. Just sits on top like that. The other one I used had a sterno with an open flame. This is electric, so you just have heat coming off the heating element. We have a fork. We put the marshmallow on the fork and we go near the top where the heat's coming from. You can rotate the marshmallow in your hand a little bit, watching to see if anything's happening to it, getting heated up. The heating element's turning red, so it's getting hot. I'm doing it very slowly. You can see on this side here, the marshmallow is starting to melt a little bit. Right here, getting melted up. I like my marshmallow after it's been lit up and burned a little bit. A little brownness to it. But you don't want to touch the marshmallow to the metal, or it'll probably stick. Starting to drip down. It will slide off the fork, but that's why you got to watch it. Got to be careful and got to be ready with your graham cracker. There's that brownness that I like on it. Here. Get some on this side. Starting to smell like a toasted marshmallow. You see what I did there to it. And I think that's about done the way I would like it. So now we're going to take it, put it on top of our graham cracker, slowly pull out our fork. Now I have an unwrapped piece of chocolate. Take that, put it on the top. And take the next top graham cracker, put that on the top, apply a little pressure to it to squeeze them together so the hotness from the marshmallow is going to melt the chocolate a little bit. And that's the way it looks when we've made our s'mores. Now I'm going to taste it.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Delicious with the marshmallow, the chocolate, and the graham cracker.
Yeah, that's one of your favorite desserts.
I don't know if you can hear it, but the heating element makes a crackling noise, I guess with the metal heating up. So now we're going to take another marshmallow, put our fork into it, repeat the operation we did for the first marshmallow. Hold it close to the heat, but don't touch the metal.
Which one do you like better, Grandpa? This one or the sterno?
I like the sterno.
Why do you like the sterno better?
Oh, it's the flame. It's like camping. Camping out with a flame in the backyard or out on camping someplace. You start a fire, you put a marshmallow on a stick, and you put it to the fire. Here you get the heating element. It's completely different. Both of them you have to be careful because you're dealing with heat, you're dealing with hot. Again, we're going through the process of watching the color of my marshmallow. Getting brown, heat it up. I don't want it to melt where it's going to drop onto the metal. Look at that color, that's nice.
Well, you know, some people like the real dark, burnt marshmallows.
It's done. So now I'm going to take my marshmallow, put it on my cracker.
Wow, Grandpa, that looks like Frosty the Snowman. It has a face on it.
Let me look. Yeah, you're right. Looks like it's got a hat, 2 eyes, a nose.
Yeah, I don't think you could duplicate that again.
Now put my piece of chocolate on top.
Well, that's no good. The cracker
Put
broke
another
now.
cracker on top. And we created another s'mores. But this cracker cracked on me.
Yeah, that's no good, but you could eat it.
And that's how we make s'mores with this electric s'mores maker. I hope you enjoyed my little video on this device.